Hi and welcome to the demo video of how the Mercuri app works on Shopify. So we essentially help e-commerce stores with SMS and WhatsApp integration for Shopify. Right? So you can send out transactional SMSs like order and shipping updates and WhatsApp messages as well. You can also do campaigns, you can also run campaigns both on SMS and WhatsApp. Run customer support. We have a shared inbox that can essentially help you with chatting with customers in a two-way manner and also recover abandoned carts. So this is how we help. So to use the app, it is fairly straightforward. Just install the app from the Shopify app store. Now when you're installing the app, it will essentially ask you for permissions. You just look at the permissions and then you install the app. Now once the app is installed, please create an account. So I will create an account here. So I will say take Shopify. I'll enter an email address. And I create an account. Right, so once an account is created, you directly are entered into the app. So there are a few things that you can do. First is you can set up with channels, like you would like to set up SMS as a channel. That is one option. You could also set up WhatsApp both. So once you create an account, there are two options. One is you can set up SMS as a channel where a phone number is associated with you, and also there are templates that are associated with each phone number so that you can send out transactional updates, right? The second one that you can essentially send out is setup is WhatsApp, where you can again send out order, shipping, abandoned cart, all of those messages to customers, right? So now that is one. Now once the app is installed, you can also go ahead and then add the widget to the store, right? So here if you see, now for the app, you will see here that there is a WhatsApp chat widget that is associated. So now you can turn on this widget and the widget will be added to the site, right? So now if I go back, now I have added the widget to the site. Now and I go back and visit the store, and I go back and I have to activate that widget, right? So now when I visit the store, you will see that the widget is not visible, but I have activated the widget there. And now if I do create widget, so if you see the name of the business is taken, now I can select the phone number. So now let's select the phone number that is associated with WhatsApp, right? So now let me go back so that I can check the phone number here. So this is the phone number. So now I go back to the widget page and I can essentially add this number, right? So now when I click on publish, and I add the widget, so now the app widget has been added. So if you can see here, the app widget has been added to the Shopify store. So now I go back, I exit, right, and I refresh this page. You will see that the app widget has automatically been added to the Shopify page. So this is how the app widget works. So now that the widget is installed, the second thing that we will see is how transactional messages work. So here we will go back to WhatsApp and we will activate transactional messages just to see if the messages would go out or not. So now we go to automations. Now we say store order created, right? So now the messages are on, right? So now when essentially an order is placed, we should get a WhatsApp message from this number. So now this is my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Now let's see what happens when we place an order. So now I add to cart, checkout. So I will enter my phone number here. Pick India. I enter the details here. Now when I say complete order, now the order should get placed and I should essentially receive a message on WhatsApp regarding the order. So if you see here, I received an order message saying, hey, thank you for shopping. This has been processed, right? So this works perfectly. Now let's say the same order, now this order, so this has been placed here, right? Now if I go ahead and fulfill this item, now I add a tracking number. And for now I just give a shipping carrier and I say fulfill. Now we should receive another message from WhatsApp saying that your order has been fulfilled. So this is how the transactional messages work, right? So now if you all now notice the now the third part of the demo is essentially showing you how to send out campaigns via Shopify. So the first thing you will need to do is sync contacts from Shopify. So you notice that this is something that we just created, right? So now to send out campaigns, you can either do it via SMS or WhatsApp. Now if you want to do it via WhatsApp, you will have to first create a template saying flow sale. You pick the language that you want to send it, or you can just say English, and then the category has to be marketing. You can say flow sale, %20 off on new stickers. Use coupon code flow20. Right? And now I create this. So once this is created, it will essentially be in pending state till WhatsApp approves this template. So once the template is approved by WhatsApp, then you can essentially send this out. Now for sending out campaigns via SMS, it is pretty straightforward. So here you go.